I will call this meeting to order. It's the regularly scheduled meeting of the Transportation Public Works Committee. I'm Councilmember Reich. I'll be chairing the committee, and I'm joined by my colleagues, Councilmembers Johnson, Palmisano, Fletcher, and Gordon, and also Bender. And we are a full complement of the committee and can conduct today's agenda. I'll note that this is the first meeting of the year and of a new council term. So welcome colleagues who are new, and we have some great work ahead of us. I believe today's agenda will not be typical in many cases, so don't get used to it, as it's going to be short and brief. You have many that will not be, so just so you know what you signed up for. Okay, so I will begin with today's agenda, which has all consent items. I will go through them. Any council member can pull them for consideration if they wish. Item 1 on the consent agenda is transfer of the Boston Field from the City of Minneapolis to the Minneapolis Park and Recreation Board. Item 2 is the contract amendment with the American Environmental LLC for storm sewer cleaning. Item 3 is the Minnesota Department of Health grant for source water protection plan implementation. Three action items there. 4 is the contract with Hennepin County Sentencing Services Program for maintenance services. Item 5 is the contract with Hennepin County for waste disposal services. Item 6 is the contract amendment with Thomas Sons Construction for Seward Bicycle Project. Item 7 is the Penn Avenue North, that's Broadway Avenue to Lowry Avenue reconstruction project designation, cost estimate, and setting the public hearing for February 27th of this year. Item 8 is the 5th Street Southeast pedestrian bicycle bridge reimbursement and settling the municipal consent public hearing for February 27th. Item 9 is the Mid-City Industrial Reconstruction project designation, cost estimate, appropriation increase, setting the public hearing for March 13th. Item 10 is the Hennepin Avenue South from Lake Street to 36th Street reconstruction project, setting the public hearing for February 27th. Item 11 is the 61st Street West, Lyndale Avenue South to Nicollet Avenue South Street reconstruction project. That will also have a public hearing on February 27th. Item 12 is the traffic zones ordinance. Item 13 is the bid for the parking ramp condenser unit replacement project, phase 2017B. Item 14 is the bid for cleaning the small diameter sanitary sewer system. And 15 is the bid for construction of concrete sidewalk, curb, and gutter, alleys, and drive approaches. Does committee member wish to pull any item for further consideration? Seeing none, I will move all items as submitted. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Dissenting nay. That conducts our business. I should give the floor to our director, just because.
Thank you, Mr. Chair and members of the committee. Welcome to our two new committee members, Councilmember Fletcher and Councilmember Johnson, and welcome back to the committee members who have served on in the past years. We're looking forward to working with you this year and in future years. We are open for questions at these meetings and prior to these meetings as agendas come through and you need assistance and understanding, please don't hesitate to reach out. And Happy New Year, everyone.
Thank you. So with that, we are adjourned. Thank you.